Introducing the LBR rental space for event designers. Are you an event designer with a big event on the books? Glenbush Roses is now offering a dedicated rental space for designers. With 600 square feet of air-conditioned workspace and 500 square feet of cooler space, LBR's new rentable workspace is the perfect solution for your next event. For $300 for the first day and $200 for each subsequent day, you'll get 24-hour access to the workstation and all the tools inside. Use our loading bays to ensure you can bring all the florals and tools you need to make your design a success. Our spacious work areas will ensure that your team has plenty of room to work, while our industrial trash and compost disposal tools will help you keep your work area tidy and efficient. The rental workspace also features water sources, clean buckets, guillotines for cutting, carts for moving items, and more. The workspace is kept at 55 degrees and the cooler at 35 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure all your flowers will be fresh on delivery. So what are you waiting for? If you're an event designer with a big project coming up, call LBR today to schedule your rental.